Hello, you're welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds from multiple images. So that's what we're going to do today. You know how time consuming it will be for you to remove maybe 100 backgrounds or maybe 50 or 20 backgrounds from different images. It's really going to take you time. Maybe if you're going to use Photoshop, you're going to use maybe some online platforms. But here in Photo Room, it's pretty easy, it's automated, and it's just sweet. All right, so what I'm going to show you here is how you can remove these backgrounds from different images. So while your photo room is open, now if you don't have this application, I have the pro application linked in the description of one of the videos I created recently. So I'm going to try my best. I'm going to link it in the description of this video, and also I'll try to link it around this video. Just check around for the link and you're going to find it. Check the description for the link to that video, so that you can also go to the description of that video and get the pro application if you don't have it. All right, so once the application is open, you click batch. That's the middle navigation icon below. So click batch. So that batch is going to allow you can see what's happening, save time by editing up to dozens of images at once. All right, so I'm going to click new batch. Okay, this is a new one I just installed. So if not, I've had some batches. So I'm going to add some of these images. This season, the season I'm creating this video, this is a Valentine season. So I've downloaded a couple of calligraphies and some couple of images that I want to use for some designs and some icons as well. So I'm going to just click the icons. Okay, I'm going to click the icons. Okay, these are icons with backgrounds. So I'm going to click them. So you can click as many images as you want. Okay, so I can click as many images as you want. I think they're about 12. Okay, there are 15 images now. You can see what's here. So now if the images are not in your recent photos, you can click gallery or click file to locate where the images are. Or if you want to snap directly, from your camera, you can click camera as well. So that's that for the buttons above. So I'm going to add 15 images, right? There are 15, and I think these are the images I want. I can add 15 images. You can just click add, and then you can see what's going to happen. Don't leave the video. If not, you may not really understand what to do next, because after the backgrounds are removed, there's still something more to do. And let's wait for the magic to happen. You can see that it's happened already. The backgrounds have been removed. You can see the backgrounds have been removed. The backgrounds have been removed, but they are still it's still white background. Okay, but the backgrounds are removed, are being removed currently. You can see so time saving. All right, now after the backgrounds are removed, you can see what's here. Template, you have resize, you have position. So what I'm going to do from here now, this classic, you can see white is still loading though. You can see white. Okay, I think it's the network. You can see white, black, transparent. So if you click white, that means you are telling the system that the backgrounds to all these images should be white. So it will place a white background. If you click black, it will be black. But if you click transparent, it's going to be transparent. So we are going to use transparent, and you can see what's going to happen. You can see that it's loading. It's loading. Everything now has become transparent. So after you're done, you can export. Yeah, everything is transparent now. You can export the 15 images, and yeah. So once you click save to gallery, everything is going to be saved. All the images are going to be saved to gallery all at once. So you can see how easy this is. So this is the trick I use for most of my work, and you can as well employ that. So I'm going to create more images on how to use this application, and like I've said, I've provided the application, the pro application, in linked in the description of the videos. I'm going to link the video, and I'm also going to link I'm going to drop the link also in the description of this particular video, so that you don't have to stress yourself to go there look for it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, add value to our channel by subscribing, share to your friends and loved ones as well. So I'm going to use these icons to create a beautiful Valentine flyer. So Check the description of the video as well to see the link to the flyer creation. All right, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.